These notes are from Profitnama's NISM Research Analyst Guidebook. The link is provided in the description below. Now, let's learn about national income measurement. National income is a crucial economic indicator, and it can be calculated using three primary methods: the product method, the income method, and the expenditure method. Let's start with the product method. This method measures the total output of goods and services in an economy. It focuses on final goods, excluding intermediate products to avoid double counting. The goal is to calculate the monetary value of production, aggregating output from various sectors like agriculture, industry, and services. Next, we have the income method. This method sums up the earnings of all economic participants. It includes various categories such as employees who earn wages and salaries, professionals who earn service-based income, entrepreneurs who earn profits, including undistributed corporate profits, and investors who earn returns on capital and land rent. Lastly, the expenditure method calculates national income from the consumption perspective. It considers the spending by individuals, corporations, and the government. It also adjusts for exports and imports. The formula for this method is private consumption plus government spending plus gross capital formation plus net exports. All of these methods typically yield similar results, though minor variations can arise due to statistical errors. Calculating national income is a complex task requiring extensive data collection and processing. I hope you have understood this topic by now. If you have any confusion or need help, feel free to contact us. We are here to assist you. This guidebook is available as a downloadable PDF and in printed book format with cash-on-delivery options. You can find the link in the description below. Become a Profitnama member today to access all our website content and get doubt clearing support on WhatsApp. Visit Profitnama today.